Welcome to CEO Money. I'm Michael Yorba. Thanks for joining us. I have Dennis O'Neill, O'Neill Capital Advisors, with me today. All right, Dennis, welcome back to the show. Your globe-trotting ventures. I want to hear all about the Barcelona conference.
Okay, sounds good. The Barcelona. It's always great to be on your show, Michael. The Barcelona show was it was an amazing show. It was the largest conference that I've ever attended, at least for this specific industry. They had over 16,250 people that attended. There was 341 companies there. They had, it was ran by Blockchain Solutions World Conference, and these guys did an amazing job. I sat on 3 different panels. I sat on the Family Office Investment panel. I sat on the current state of the crypto markets panel, and then I led the presentation for Futura Coin.
Wow. That was quite an agenda.
Yeah, that was quite an agenda.
What was the big thing that came out of the conference?
The big thing that came out of the conference is that I think that that the crypto markets are doing very, very well, even though that they're under severe pressure. The enthusiasm for funding these projects, especially internationally, is very, very, very strong. We're starting to see institutional money pour into the space at a rapid pace. We're starting to see a lot of funds get funded, to the tune of hundreds of millions of dollars of crypto funds. So we're starting to see the beginning of, I guess, the maturing and the evolution of kind of like where we're going from the wild, wild west stage to where that now it's starting to become a mature, evolved market with institutional players.
I was going to ask you why that's happening. You're saying it's just a part of the evolution. It's just now becoming more mainstream, more institutions are warming up to it and pushing money into it, and bigger amounts is what I'm hearing.
Yeah. I think that especially internationally, what's happening is that we're seeing all these different international countries that are adopting policies and regulations and guidance for the cryptocurrency markets. If it could be cryptocurrencies, if it's the coins, or if it's the actual crypto exchanges themselves. If you look at Malta, they're a world leader. Estonia, Liechtenstein, Switzerland, France is in there now, Bermuda, the Caymans. So you're starting to see places to where that they have laws to where that institutional money feels that they're not under regulatory risk. And then they're one of the biggest issues that they were solving, at least offshore for sure, is the custodian or custodial issue, to where that a lot of these institutions don't want to hold their assets in wallets. They want to have somebody custodian these assets, and that issue has been solved. And the international markets are absolutely booming right now for cryptocurrencies and ICOs and STOs.
All right. Are there any ideas that came out of this conference you want to bring forward on today's conversation?
Yeah, no, I think that the star of the show was the company that I brought there, Futura Coin. Basically, they took the spotlight. They showed everybody in the world that they have one of the fastest, safest, cheapest to use, easiest to use coins in the world. They have deployed a multitude of use cases to where that the coin is actually being used in the market for product services, and as well as that they launched Futura Pay, which is it's an app to where that you can use Futura Coin, kind of like a credit card. So any merchants that accept Futura Coin, and many of them are accepting them now because its transaction costs go down 90% over a credit card. And then you can use Futura Coin, and it settles immediately. So just like a credit card. So that's been a big driving force out there for Futura Coin.
Brilliant. All right. Thanks for being a guest today, Dennis.
All right. Thank you so much, Michael.
You've been watching CEO Money with Michael Yorba. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.